don't know, camera's down here now.
Cheer, buddy.
Yeah, boy! Every time I heard that bang, I thought someone was smashing their head on the window. What is it? Oh, your time's on. Look how different it is. Yeah, bro, focus just, bro. Oh, you can't.
No, we're good, it's a uterus!
Where put the tyre?
No, it's just fucking off. Been rubber, like, pull it up.
It's slap third.
No, I've never been in a car actually doing this properly.
It's fucking filth, bro. Fuck, it's heavy, man. That's delamination.
That's delaminated. Sounds good.
That's delaminated as fuck, bro.
We'll over Old Town with it, eh?
Wait for it to snap off. Otherwise, cops will be like, "Ow, do you even?"
Wait, are you even?
Do you even skin?
Are you gonna make some more?
That's gravel.
Go in and pay.
Wait, get your lights going, get your lights going, get your lights.
Oh, bro, why is hanging out the tags?
Wait, get your light, G.
Oh, bro. Oh, that's fucked. No, we can't drive on that. That'll burst any second. Oh, fuck.
Wait, fucking pop your light, G. Holy
Yeah, I got camera.
That's gonna burst. What? Should we just drive until it blows? No, fuck that. We'll take it home.
Take it back to Garney's.
Get it back to yours. Bro. Just slap the other peeler on.
Dude, that's insane. Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
We go slap the skidders on yours. Yeah, boy.
Holy fuck, look at that, bro.
Yeah.
That's Nick the Cass. Yeah, bro, don't
Peels, Gunny,
you
peels.
turn your light on when you record.
Nah, G, my phone's shit.
The left wheel's a little bit raked.
What's the right? Oh yeah, what's the right doing? Left with me. What's this side doing, mate? This is doing ones. It's doing ones, bro.
No, it's doing twos.
Oh, yeah?
It's doing twos, bro, yeah.
'Cause this is cold.
Oh, no, this is still mint, bro. This one's probably still warm.
This one's got fuckloads of tread.
You know, you can see though that. Yeah, you can feel it's been peeling, bro. Yeah.
Oh, fuck it. Oh,
Look
shit,
at that.
it
Feel
has
the
been.
stickiness of it, bro.
Oh,
You can feel it, bro.
What, has it fucking guard whipped?
I don't know, it looks good when it's guard whipped.
Oh, no, you can't. You don't have a bumper.
No, I need to pop the phone.
Right.
Yes. Need a bumper? Get your light on?
I never like when we're recording.
Oh, weak.
I know, my phone's weak. Oh, that was sick.
Let's strap the skidder.